Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your Jis News for December 27. Jamaica's leaders are encouraging citizens to embrace charity and peace as they continue celebrating the holiday season and into the new year. In his Christmas message, Governor General Sir Patrick Allen called on Jamaicans to demonstrate tolerance and respect for the views of others and to help those in need.
Let this spill over into the rest of the year and eventually become second nature to us. I urge all who can to give to religious and other charitable institutions and groups who selflessly serve the needy.
Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller similarly encouraged Jamaicans to recapture and renew the spirit of charity and kindness.
Let us make a special effort to reach out and share as we demonstrate the true sense of community. Let us reach out especially to the children, the elderly, the infirm, and persons with disabilities.
Opposition leader Andrew Holness meanwhile called for a special focus on children.
Perhaps one of the most significant challenges faced by us as a people is the abuse of the rights of our children and female juveniles. Let us restore their hope and faith in a bright future. Let us seek to enhance the quality of their childhood recollections of the purpose and meaning of the season.
The Little London Health Centre in Westmoreland has been officially reopened after undergoing extensive rehabilitation works. The Type 2 facility offers primary care services to over 9,000 citizens in the surrounding areas. It was closed over a year ago due to its dilapidated condition, and the National Health Fund came on board to finance its renovation. Pointing out that its reopening was of vital importance to the parish, Medical Officer of Health for Westmoreland, Dr. Diane Campbell-Stennett, urged citizens to protect the facility.
This is your facility. You must remain vigilant such that vandalism does not erode the efforts that we've really made here.
Meanwhile, government will be spending some $60 million upgrading 2 health facilities in Trelawnny in the new year. While touring the facilities recently, Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson said $10 million would be spent on the Ulcer Spring Health Centre, with an estimated $50 million targeted for the Falmouth Hospital and Health Centre. The Health Ministry is hoping to partner with the Agriculture Ministry on the Falmouth Health Centre, while work on Ulcer Spring will be done in collaboration with the philanthropic group, the Friends of the Ulcer Spring Hospital.
But on a whole, I'm saying, and I feel confident, that there are better days for health in the parish of Trelawnny.
Dr. Ferguson says one of 6 Cuban dentists slated to arrive on the island through a government-to-government agreement will also be placed in Trelawnny. The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, has equipped 10 St. Catherine communities to better respond to natural hazards. ODPEM recently presented representatives of the communities with 20 emergency radios valued at $474,000 to enhance their response during times of disaster. 119 residents were also trained in basic emergency telecommunications, courtesy of a collaborative project between ODPEM, Help Age International, and Abacus for Communities. At the handing over ceremony, Director General of ODPEM, Ronald Jackson, said communication was critical to facilitating coordinated response to emergencies.
Through information, we're able to begin the process of recovery, early recovery, relief operations. Through information, we have a better awareness of what is happening in the country, and we can plan and deal with the challenges and minimize chaos.
ODPEM, Help Age International, and Abacus for Communities also signed a memorandum of understanding to, among other things, conduct community-level risk assessment research, train persons in community disaster risk reduction, and provide support for the sustainability of the emergency affiliate radio services. And finally, the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, has been turning much of the waste generated by Hurricane Sandy into composting material for sale. This was disclosed recently by local government minister Noel Arscott. He said many of the tree limbs blown down during the storm would have gone to waste at the Riverton landfill, and so a plot of land near Ferry was identified to establish a composting site for the material. The minister added that NSWMA had already secured a contract for the compost.
So we are now turning waste into dollars and cents. And this is really a tremendous use of our waste product.
Minister R. Scott was speaking at a recent function where OJ Koolers and Jamaica Bedding donated some 2,000 garbage receptacles to the NSWMA. The drums are to directly benefit the towns of Old Harbour, Spanish Town and May Pen in the first phase. While commending OJ Koolers for the donation, Minister R. Scott sounded a warning to other companies that refuse to dispose of their waste properly. The minister said early in the new year he would be recommending significant increases in the fines for the improper disposal of garbage. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.